We're here tonight at the Rangiora RSA to support the Rachel's House Trust. Ryan's taking the plunge at the Big Splash. It's great to see all these clients and friends here to support the cause. It's going to be a great night and it'll be interesting to see everyone take the plunge.
The costumes and everyone taking part and you all coming along tonight is greatly appreciated. Give yourself a round of applause.
What's the pull for? What are we supporting tonight?
So down here tonight, this is for Rachel's House Trust, who support local mums and families and whānau as well.
Yeah, and I've seen some pretty good dance moves up there. Have you got your moves prepped and locked and loaded?
I am a dad, which means I can have dad moves.
Yes. And Lydia will be watching eagerly, I'm sure.
Yeah, Lydia will be watching. Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
It's a place where families know they can come when life feels hard, somewhere they can ask for help without judgment, somewhere that offers practical support, connection, encouragement, and people who genuinely care. And that is why Rachel's House Trust is so unique. Every day looks different because every whānau is different, but every day our goal is the same, to leave a mum feeling just a little bit stronger than when she walks through our door. Because when we support a mother, we support her baby. And when we support a baby, we strengthen family. And when we strengthen a family, we build a healthier community for generations to come. So thank you. Thank you for jumping into freezing cold water. Thank you for sponsoring someone who did. And thank you for believing in Rachel's House Trust. And a final thank you for believing in the mums and the babies who walk through our door every single day. Ngā mihi nui.
Oh, well, that was a great night. It was great to see so many people out here to support it. And thank you to everybody for the support towards the Rachel's House Trust. Thank you to all our clients and friends and family that supported our Give a Little page, and to all of the people that took the plunge tonight. It was a great event and a great initiative, and we'll see you next year.